So the solution number 3 is resetting the TCP IP stack. So please make sure you run the commands below in Windows command prompt. So what you have to do is go to Windows search, type cmd. Once you type cmd, you should see command prompt on the screen. So you see this command prompt on the screen. Just right click on it. You have to run it as an administrator. So please right click on it and run as administrator. Otherwise you will have problems running the commands. So yeah, now you see this black color window on the screen, which is command prompt. We will run these commands now one after the other. So I'll just make it large so that you can see. Alright, so let's run the first command. It is netsh winsock reset catalog. Alright, it is netsh space winsock space reset space catalog. Hit enter. So once you hit enter, it says successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Alright, so what you have to do is after running this command, please restart the computer. After restarting the computer, come back to the same screen again. So once the computer is back on, go to Windows search, type cmd. Alright, type cmd and open command prompt once again and type the second command now. Please make sure you run command prompt as administrator. Alright, so when you open command prompt, just make sure you are running it as administrator. So just right click on it. Yeah, right click on it and run it as administrator. Alright, right click on it and run it as administrator. So once you come back to command prompt, you have to run the second command now, which is netsh int ip reset.log. Alright, it is netsh space int space ip space reset space reset.log and hit enter once again. Alright, so you see this on the screen and it is asking to restart the computer to complete this action. So restart the computer. Now restart the computer again. After restarting the computer, check the connection. Check whether you still see the error message not connected, no connections are available on the taskbar. If the issue is resolved now, it is well and good. But if the issue is still not resolved, then yeah, just go here and check the status. Check the LAN status. Alright, if you still see the error message not connected, no connections are available, then you have to run the next commands. So the next commands are ipconfig / flush dns. So it's ipconfig space / flush dns. I have mentioned these commands in the PowerPoint presentation, so you can see them and you can type it. All right. So I am running the third command now, which is ipconfig space flush DNS and hit enter. So after running this command, you have to run a different command, which is ipconfig space release. Alright, it is ipconfig space / release, hit enter. After it shows the details on the screen, type ipconfig / renew. Alright, hit enter. So after running these three commands, go back to your taskbar and see what it is doing here, whether it is still showing the same error message, not connected, no connections are available, or it is showing something different like identifying or trying to connect to the network. Just check this all the time while running the command, see what is it happening here. So after running these commands, it should be able to connect your computer should be able to connect to the internet, and you shouldn't see this not connected, no connections are available.